Hello, welcome to day three of machine learning interview preparation. In the 2 days Python learning series, we'll be discussing about Python list. So by definition wise, list is a collection of item under one variable name. So what does it mean, right? So I'll create one example. So let's say we have a variable called gift, and we want to create a list, right? So let's say gift would be flowers. Other gift would be books maybe, or maybe perfume, or it could be bags, right? So if I print this variable, so you can see it is displaying the items inside this list variable gift. So it contains flower, books, perfume, and bags, and every item is ordered in the same way that we have defined, right? So the first item is flower, and when you print that, the first item is flowers, the last item is bags, and the last item is bags. So the list is ordered, right? For example, let's say I want to display perfume. So for this purpose, what we have to do is we have to index this list, right? So the in always indexing starts with 0. So flower would be 0, books would be 1, and perfume would be 2. Gift 2 would be perfume, right? So this is called indexing. So Python list are indexed as well. So I'm explaining the features of list, right? One is list is ordered. It is always ordered in the same way that you have like created, and it is all always indexed, right? So other feature is mutable. So let's say if I add a new gift item, let me do this again, right? So let me show you. Let me first show you the memory location of gift variable that we have. ID gift. Sorry. So this is the memory location where this gift variable is located, right? So now I want to add a newer gift to this variable, right? Gift dot append. Let's say it could be gift could be mobile phone, right? So I appended a new item called mobile phone on a gift variable, and now gift variable looks like this, right? So we appended a mobile phone there. So if you look into the memory of gift variable, it is same as previous one, right? So the memory location did not change. So it means list is a mutable data type. Memory location of the gift variable did not change after updated, right? It means list is a mutable data type. So this one is another feature of a list, right? So it is one of the built-in data type in Python. It is a collection of item under one variable name. So it has multiple item. In our case, we have like one, two, three, four items in a list called gift. It is indexed. So if you want to read items from the list, you have to index it. Ordered, list always orders the value based on how we write it, right? So we first wrote flowers, then books, then perfume, and bags. So it is on the same order. Mutable means you if you update the list, its memory location would not change. So it means a mutable data type. It allows duplicates. So if I add again mobile phone, gift dot append, let's say flowers. If you look here, list can have duplicate item, right? Your shopping list can have two t-shirts, right? It is metaphorically same, right? Flowers and flowers, we have duplicates value here. and list can hold element of a different data type. So the last example would be, let's say I created a list called my list. It might contain a integer value 4, a floating point value 5.5, a text called cities. Let's say it can have another list inside as well, right? 5 comma 4. So if I print my list, so it can hold multiple data types. So the 4 is integer, 5.5 is float, cities is a string, 5 comma 4 is uh, list, right? So you can check it like my list. So I want to check data type of index 0. So my list 4, and I want to check its data type as well. Type of my list 0, right? Let me copy this one. And if I do this, it's an integer, right? The value is 4 and it is of integer type. So let's say I want to do 1 and 1. So it is float, right? So it is holding multiple data types. Let's say I'll do 2 and 2. So if you look here, 0, 1, 2, it should be string, right? So it is a string. Let's say if I do 3, it should be list. 3, 3. So it is list. So this is the basic definition of list. So you have to say it is one of the built-in data types. If somebody asks you about what is list, tell me the definition of list, so it would be it is a collection of item under one variable name. It is one of the built-in data types in Python. List are indexed, list are ordered, list are mutable, list can hold different data types, and list can have duplicate data. So that would be proper definition of list, and these are the examples. Thank you.